Hey everyone, Thomas here from Land Drone Supply. We're here in Oyama at the Gatsky Farm Market where we will be holding our ongoing demo programs. Today I want to talk to you about something extremely important for Canadian agriculture and for anyone involved in drone operations. Health Canada has just released a regulatory proposal that could significantly change how pesticides are applied using drones across Canada. If you're a grower, an applicator, a drone operator, a farmer, or a rancher, this could apply to you. Health Canada has opened a public consultation on permitting pesticide application by remotely piloted aircraft systems, also known as RPAS or drones. Health Canada has been studying drone pesticide application since 2023, working alongside Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada, Transport Canada, and other international regulators. After reviewing the scientific data, their conclusion is that the health and environmental risks of drone application are not greater than conventional aerial application, and in some cases, the risks may even be lower. That is huge. Here's the key part. Health Canada is proposing that drones be allowed to apply all pest control products already approved for conventional aerial application without needing any label amendments. That means if a pesticide is already approved for aerial spraying by airplane or helicopter, it could be potentially used by a drone under this new policy. That supports innovation, aligns Canada with the rest of the world, removes regulatory barriers, and encourages adoption of precision ag technology. For growers in the Okanagan and across Canada, this could mean faster response times, better precision, and lower environmental impact. Let's talk real-world impact. Drone application offers precision application, reduced drift, savings in time, labor, and diesel, access to wet, difficult, or remote fields, and reduced crop loss and soil compaction because you're applying from above. Short weather windows matter. When a weather window opens, timing could be everything. Drones can mobilize faster than conventional aircraft and operate in tighter conditions. From a safety perspective, operators must still hold a Transport Canada RPAS certificate, complete pesticide training, and follow all provincial regulations, and of course, follow all label application instructions. So this proposal is open for public consultation from February the 23rd until March the 25th, 2026. There is also a public clarification webinar on March the 4th between 3 and 5 p.m. Eastern Time. This session is for explaining the proposal, but all official feedback must be submitted through the formal consultation process. If you're a grower, an applicator, a retailer, or a drone service provider, your input matters. If this policy moves forward, we will see an increased demand for agriculture drones across Canada, plus an increased demand for certified and licensed drone pilots, and an expansion of custom aerial drone application services. For companies like Land Drone, this reinforces something that we've believed from the beginning. Agriculture drones are not a trend. They are the next generation of crop feeding and crop protection. And importantly, Health Canada's scientific review confirms that agriculture drone application is not inherently riskier than traditional aerial methods. That gives this industry credibility. If you're in agriculture, I strongly encourage you to review the proposal and participate in the consultation. This is how policy gets shaped. If you're interested in becoming certified, purchasing an agriculture drone, or understanding how this could affect your operation, reach out to us at Land Drone Supply. We're closely monitoring this development and will continue updating you as things evolve. This is a major step forward for Canadian drone precision agriculture. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe, share it with another grower, and stay tuned for more updates on regulatory changes, drone technology, and real-world field applications. Thanks. See you in the next one.